Hi viewers, we will see one of the common issue which we face while the firefighter users are logging with firefighter ID. Let us assume it is a centralized system and the firefighter user have the FFID assigned. So the user has logged into GRC system and executed the transaction GRC underscore EAM. So the user is able to see all the firefighter IDs which are assigned to him, executed one of them, and he have given all the required information. But when he is trying to log in, the system is throwing a message error called receiver does not exist in the system. So this most of the times we will get it. So this is because first check we need to do is the controller might not be assigned to the firefighter ID. So we need to check whether the controller is assigned to it or not. On checking, if I find that the controller is assigned to that firefighter ID, then check if this controller is active or not. If it is locked, then also it will show the same error. The firefighter controller is active, it is not locked, then still it is coming. So it might be the reason where in SU01 for that firefighter controller, the email address whatever is maintained is invalid. So that also could be a cause. So then also we need to ensure that the proper email ID is maintained for the firefighter controller. So these are the possible cases when this error occurs.